Today we are talking about a useful application for your Mac system. It's called PopClip and it will take your macOS experience to the next level. Let's check it out. Hey, Shivam here, and you can try this app out from the link in the description below, so make sure to check it out. When you select text on your iOS device, you have this action menu, like you have cut, copy, paste, you have dictionary and stuff like that. But on a Mac device, you have to select the text and then you have to right click on it to see these actions. So PopClip can bring a lot of useful actions to the macOS without having to right click, and it can make our lives easier. So let's check it out. So I have the application already on my Mac system. When you will install this on your system, you will get to see this. We need to provide some accessibility permissions. So we click on here and then we turn this thing on. So now it's working. So this is the area, this is the settings of this application. We have appear automatically, we have turned it on. Let's do one thing, let's check out the app itself and we'll get to the setting later. Let's close this for now. And now if I just go here to my notes area and if I just paste some dummy text here. So here we have our dummy text. Now let's see it in action. Now generally when you select this on your iPhone, you will have this like copy and paste area, but not on the Mac. But now we have the PopClip and here it will appear as soon as I release the click. So there you go. You have this cut, copy, paste option. Then you also have this search option. Now if you want to search any item, any term, then you just click on here and it's there. So that's how it works. And don't think it's limited to just cut, copy, paste and search. You have a lot of options and extensions and we'll check out, and it can excel your experience. So that was just the concept of how it works, and let's check it out. Here's the menu item of the PopClip and let's just click on settings, and here you will see a lot of things. First up we have appear automatically, so that's turned on and it should be. You have rules if you want to restrict the PopClip in some applications or websites. Then you also have a shortcut for this. There is also appearance, like how big or small you want it. You have the color and then you have the position. And let's see the actions. So this is where the magic happens. You have all these options, like you have spelling, search, open link, cut, copy, paste that we just saw. You have reveal in finder and you have dictionary. If I select this, you will have the correction. So that was there. Now if I paste a link here, now if you select a link, you will have this area. You click on it and it will open it in default browser. That's the link option. And then you have more when you click on get extension. So they have a lot of extensions. These are all the extensions that you can use, and it will just put it on steroids. So you have all these things. You have create new page, you have never map, search never map, then you have formatting as well. You can just enable this and remove spaces, underscore, hyphenate, brackets, quotes. You can use this ChatGPT website, OpenAI chat, there's character count, word count. So sky's the limit. There's just so many extensions right here. As you can see, I'm just quickly scrolling. So you have all these things. Let's just install one of them. We'll just go with this one, word count. Let's click on download and allow. So now we have the file downloaded. We just have to open it up. And it even has a sound effect for installing the extension. So that's it. Now we have the word count there. Now we can just simply go here and select the text. It's 91 words. So that's how it works, and it's quite helpful. Now in the last section of the apps, you have started login option. So just turn it on. You can hide it from the menu bar as well if you would like to, or you can use bartender to manage all your menu items. By the way, we also did a video on this and you can check it out from the channel. But that's been about PopClip. Let's check out the pricing for how much it costs. So this is their website, and there are actually two ways of buying this app. This is the first way and the second one is my favorite one. And with that, I pay less money and get a lot of applications with a single price. We'll check out this one first. So if I click on buy here, you have two options. You have the standard license or you have the lifetime license. So these both are one-time purchase. As you can see, it's one-time purchase. The only difference here is that you will get 2 years of free updates with this one with the $12 plus tax. And you will get to keep the latest, the last version of the end of your 2 years. Then you have the lifetime license where you have lifetime free updates and you can use on all your Macs. This is for $26 plus tax. So these are the plans from their Pop app website. Now there is second way, and that is through Setapp. This is the platform where you have a lot of applications including PopClip, and there are tons of useful applications like Clean My Mac, you have Clean Short X, you have Paste, which gives you infinite clipboard history on a Mac device, and it's even better than the Windows clipboard. So now you don't have to feel jealous about it. And you also have Bartender. There is Luminar, that is a great application for photo editing, and the list goes on and on. And instead of paying each and every application a lot of money adding to your monthly bill, you just have to pay a single subscription here of the Setapp and you will get access to all the applications. And to be honest, it's not that expensive that you might be thinking. Let's check out the pricing. The plan starts at just $10 per month for a Mac device. If you happen to have iOS devices as well, you can go with the Mac plus iOS version, which gives you access to 4 iOS devices as well. And there's power user plan that is for $15, and that will give you 4 Macs and 4 iOS devices. You can go with annual plan, then it will be $9 per month. That is great. So it's worth checking out. I'll leave the trial in the description below. You will have a 7 days of free trial. So there is no harm in trying. With the Setapp trial, you will have access to PopClip. You can try that for 7 days, and you can even try other applications. See if you like it. And if you don't, you can just cancel your subscription. So that's there. The link is down below. Make sure to check it out. But that's been it for today. Now, if you are looking for the best screenshotting app for your Mac device, then there you go. And if you want to have infinite clipboard history on your Mac device, then this video will definitely help. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.